Hi, I'm Mario. I'm going to talk about the knee kicker. If you weigh 200 pounds and are athletic, you can kick this thing with about 1,000 pounds of force, which is considerable. And but the only thing is, this tool causes considerable injury every day. A good option to this tool is the Triforce Carpet Frog. I'm going to show you how that works. This is capable of 2,000 pounds of force on every wall in a room, which is substantially more than this, and is substantially more than a pole stretcher. I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. I'm going to kneel on this tool, press down on it hard. You see a considerable bubble here. That's just one wall. Imagine that on 4 walls. I'm going to release it and show you what 2,000 pounds of force looks like. I'm going to do that again. Again, I have another Triforce carpet tool, the compact adapter. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my foot on it, and I'm going to use this to hold the head down because this is a cotton head. And I'm just going to put some pressure on it, stick my foot on there, and push down very hard. I'm exceeding 2,000 pounds, and you can see the large bubble there. Imagine that on 4 walls. I'm going to go ahead and release the stretcher now. That's a lot of force. Here's the Triforce Kicks, another tool capable of 2,000 pounds of force. Takes the place of that knee kicker very easily. I'm going to go ahead, kneel down here, press down on the stretcher. Now I'm going to release it. $2,000 pounds, 1,000 pounds. Pole stretcher won't even come close. A knee kicker won't even come close. Use the Triforce method. It works. Thank you.